This is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on the MX Mechanical Wireless Performance Keyboard by Logitech. We've done the regular MX non-mechanical before, but here is the top of the box. Front of the box, Bluetooth Logibolt. What's in the box? What's in the box? In the back, features. The back, you have three different types. You can get the linear, the tactile, or the clicky. We went the linear, it's the one we got. Ready to go? Alright, let's open this up. Ooh. Alright, on the top, we got the instructions, Logibolt, or you can connect it directly to Bluetooth, easy switch via the buttons. Oh, keys are already coming off. Alright, we got the keyboard itself. The F1 button already came off. Came with a little advertisement. Get all the MX. We got your Logibolt. And then we got your charging cable as well. USB-C, we like to see that. USB. More instructions. Your warranty information. Multiple language. FCC statement. We got how to recycle, how to care for the MX. Well, alright. Oh, so there's one piece of this that's moving. Power supply. And that's going to be it for that. So we've got remove some of this stuff. Loud bang, sorry. Right, and then I got just the regular MX, not the mechanical key, for comparison as well. Alright, so that is our comparison video. Oh, we should show this. USB-C for the charge, on-off switch, back. Alright. Well, as always, please comment what you'd like for us to unbox next, or try to get for unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that bell if you'd like some notifications on every time we release a video. Alright, have a good one.